There is a lot of bad energy going around TikTok right now. Don't fuel it. What is all the bad energy about? It's about the master resale rights, the marketing digital product that came out in the past couple months. In my opinion, I love it. Why do I love it? Because it fills in the gaps that I was missing when it came to learning digital marketing. So I purchased it to learn the skill, to learn to build the business, to learn to market the product, to learn to put my business on automation. And you have to start somewhere. You have to grab a product and you have to learn those skills before you go off creating something else. Okay, a lot of people are jumping on saying, oh my gosh, you need to create your own product. You need to create your own course. I get it. I do. But if you don't know the basic skill of how to even be a marketer, how to even put your business on automation, how to build a sales funnel, how to build email campaigns, how are you going to create your own product, your own course? This product here teaches you the basics, the foundation. It's filling in the gaps of what was missing from the other courses where a lot of us got lost. And now this bad energy is all around, kind of like just messing with the vibe. Stop. Don't fuel it. The haters are going to hate, but there's also haters for the other courses out there too. Do you, boo? Do you? Just if you think the course is beneficial and you feel you can turn around and learn the skill and market it so you can move your business to the next level, then do that. Don't fuel the people's videos that are coming on here and knocking it. Don't fuel them. Just learn the skill, dive into the training, understand what digital marketing is, what automation is, what a sales funnel is, what email marketing is. And then if you want to go on and build your own digital product, do so. But you'll never know how to do that until you dive deep and understand the basic skills. And this training teaches that. So I will continue to market this course because when I go to sleep at night and I close my eyes, I feel it here. I feel it in my gut that someone that purchased this product from me will truly have a knowledge and understanding, the skill to be a digital marketer and to go off and market whatever they want. And I will continue to root for them, clap for them, and cheer them on as they change their life.